Happy birthday, Lola LB. You're not getting older. You're just becoming a classic. God bless to you and wish you all the best.
Hello LB, happy birthday, stay young and healthy, and happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday Lola LB, more birthday to come, stay healthy lang palagi, love you.
Happy birthday to my amazing aunt. You're a special part of our family. And most of all, you're a wonderful friend to me. Stay blessed and pretty. I love you. Cheers!
Hello, LB. Happy birthday. Hindi ko itatanong kung ilang taong ka na ha, kasi always looking young and feeling young. At saka, I wish you joy, love, peace, at syempre, good health, at marami pang gala. Nawa ang mga pangarap mo ay matupad, at kung ano man ang mga kahilingan mo kay Lord, ay kanyang ibigay sa'yo. Okay? God bless you, and happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ma'am LB Herrera. And more birthday to comes and blessing to comes. At mag-iingat lagi kung saan ka papunta. Happy birthday, Ma'am. 38th birthday mo ngayon. And enjoy your day. So yun lang. God bless.